Hello friends, in this video tutorial we are going to create different pipes having different pipe materials. For that we will go to new, select new from the models and then select the template file. So we will select mechanical template, then click on OK. So here we have the mechanical template. Now let's go to the systems and then you have to select the pipe. Right now you can see we have two types of pipes in this particular template, chill water and standard. So let's select the standard pipe and let's create a pipe. So here we have the standard pipe. Let's change the view to find and make it shaded. So here we have the standard pipe. Okay. One thing more what we can do is change the view to realistic. You can see this is dark in color because the standard pipe has the material as copper by default in this template. Okay, we will see further. Now let's create some more pipes and we will assign some materials to them. Okay, for that let's select this pipe. This is the standard. Go to edit type. Okay, and now let's make a duplicate copy from the standard pipe. Okay, so let it be Sanitary pipe 1. Okay, click on OK. Now we are going to create a sanitary pipe 1. Okay, and let's go to the routing preferences, click on edit. Okay, first of all what we see here, we have the pipe segment and here we have the material. So these are all the default materials available for this particular pipe. Now in this case we will select PVC schedule 40. Select this pipe segment and then next we have the fittings for this particular pipe. For that we have to load the family. Okay, so these are all the families. For those who not know that where we can find these families, for that let's go to load family and here you can see we have all the family fittings for this pipe. For those who not know how to find the Revit families in your computer or in your C drive, check the Autodesk folder in your C drive. So in the Autodesk folder we have this Revit 2020 because the version which I'm using is 2020. So let's select it and we have to select libraries. Then you have to select the unit style. Right now I'm using US Imperial. Select it. Now let's select the pipe folder and then for the fittings. Now we have to select the PVC pipe and schedule 40 because the pipe schedule for the pipe what we are creating right now is 40. Soon I will tell you what is a schedule for a pipe. So these are the pipe fittings for the schedule 40. Select them and click open. Okay, right now we have to specify all the pipe fittings having the material PVC. For the elbow, click over here. You can see the fittings are not available. I think we have to load them again. Go to load family. Again select the fittings, click on open. It will take some time. Usually such type of errors occur in Revit, so not need to worry, just repeat the steps again and you will find the solution. Go to elbow. Now you can see here we have the elbow PVC schedule 40. Preferred junction type, let it be T. Junction, select PVC. Cross, then you have to select PVC again. Transition style, again the PVC material. Union, PVC. We don't need flange. Cap, let's select the PVC schedule 40 and then everything is fine. Click on OK. Okay, now here is a mistake. Just now go to pipe and now let's select the sanitary pipe 1 which we just created with the PVC material, and you can see the material looks exactly different because we have a different material here, that is PVC. Select this pipe, right click, create similar, and now you can create a Y joint if you want. So you can see here how we can create a plumbing pipe easily with a PVC material. Okay, so let us suppose in case we can't find the material in the Revit library what we want that our pipe should have. Okay, for that let's select this pipe. Let's go to the edit type and then go to duplicate, create a different pipe, let it be sanitary pipe 2. Okay, go to edit, and here in the pipe segment, here we have all the materials in this template. In case we can't find the specified material given to us, so for that you have to go to segments and sizes, click over here, and here you will see the segment basically defines the material for the pipe. So here are all the materials. So to create a new material you have to check over here, create new pipe segment. So let's select it. Now in the new segment window you will see create new. So what you want to create new, material, schedule, or both? So we will select material and schedule. Right now I'm going to tell you what is a schedule for a pipe. For that let's close all these windows. I'm going to share a table with you, so let's see. Here we have a pipe schedule table. First column we have the nominal pipe size. So here are all the pipe sizes in inches. Now we have the outside diameter for the pipe. Then we have the schedule 40 and the schedule 80. So let's see what is a schedule basically. Schedule is used to describe the thickness of a pipe wall. Okay. So let's take the first example. Here we have the first pipe size and the outside diameter. You will see for the schedule 40, the wall thickness means the thickness of the pipe is 0.068. And next we have the schedule 80. The wall thickness of the pipe is 0.095. So what we got from this example? We got that as the schedule value increases, the wall thickness also increases. As you can see, here we have the 80 value, and this value of the thickness is more as compared to this one. Okay, but in this case the outer diameter of the pipe remains the same, means the inner diameter of the pipes goes on decreasing when schedule value goes on increasing. Okay, so this was about the pipe schedules for the people who don't know. Okay, so now let's get back to the Revit example. So now again select this pipe, go to the edit type, and then duplicate this pipe 2. Okay, we will repeat the steps, then go to edit and then segments and sizes. Now let's create a new pipe with a new schedule. Okay, so we will choose material and schedule type. In the material you have to go to browse to select a new materials. For this purpose let's select glass. So let's select this glass material, click on OK, and let's give a name to the schedule of this type. So let it be schedule. Okay, now next option we have is duplicate size catalog form. So we will duplicate the size for this particular pipe having material glass having schedule 40 from PVC schedule 40. Okay, so the schedules for this pipe PVC and for the glass will be same. It means that the thickness will be same. Then click on OK. So right now we have created a material glass, and then click on OK. Now in the pipe segment you have to select the glass. So here we have the glass, and then click on OK. Okay, now you can see the changes are there. Let's make it back. Now select pipe, select the sanitary pipe to see the changes what we got. So now you can easily see the changes in two materials, PVC and glass. Okay, now let's create a third pipe having a different material entirely. For that, again go to pipe. You can select pipe, Sanitary pipe 1, go to edit type, duplicate. It will be pipe 3, Sanitary pipe 3. Okay, routing preferences, edit, segments and sizes. And now let's create a new material and schedule. Select browse to create a new material. So this time let's select this brick. Okay, click on OK, schedule 40 this time also, and duplicate size catalog from, again you can choose PVC or you can choose the glass. So this option will duplicate the size from this particular pipe. Okay, so here we have the size catalog. Again, duplicate, click on OK, and then the pipe segment we have to change to the new pipe material. So here we have the brick. Okay, and click on OK again. Now create a new pipe type having different material. So you can see the pipe is same. I mean, the pipe schedule is same. Pipe schedule is 40 for this pipe, for this particular, and for this, but the materials are entirely different. So this is how we create different pipes having different material types in Revit. I hope you like this video. If you liked it, please share and subscribe. Thank you.